Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Guide. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to use ChatGPT plugin. So let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for ChatGPT plugin over here. Now, click on Login on the top right over here. Now, click on ChatGPT. Make sure you're logged into it. Once you're done, we can see ChatGPT 3.5 option over here. Simply tap on this, and here's another option for ChatGPT Pro. For that, we need to upgrade to Plus, and we need to get Premium, and we need to buy this. So let's tap on this, and we can choose the plan we want. So make sure you buy this upgrade to Plus plan, and then we can use ChatGPT plugin. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.